Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update for you from CDEC, Center for Development of Advanced Computing. When you will go to the official website of CDEC, here in the current openings, you can see direct walk-in interview at CDEC Noida for the position of project manager, senior project engineer, and project engineer on the contract basis, dear students. Okay, so when we will click here, we can see this detailed advertisement. Let's have a look. So this is the direct walk-in interview for some specific posts. So here we can see walk-in advertisement, this one, and I can see here कि CDEC Noida is seeking for the technical expert to work on the national importance project related to healthcare and e-governance. Okay, an opportunity to work on health standard, e-governance, ABDM, and advanced Java technologies. Okay, so this is purely contact basis for the following position: project manager, senior project engineer, and project engineers. So here we can see interested and eligible candidates are required to appear for a walk-in interview as per the schedule below. What is this? On the 9th January, Thursday, project manager, number of vacancies 10. Here registration timing is 10 to 12. Technical project management solution architect. Next is on the 10th January, project engineer testing. And number of vacancies are 4. And then here 11th January, senior project engineer or project engineer, 15 and 15 number of vacancies they mention here. Candidates are required to download the blank application form which is mentioned here. You can click and you can download the form also. Okay, and carry the duly filled application form affixed with the latest passport size photograph and all that. Okay, candidate who registered themselves at the venue between 10 a.m. to 12 noon will be allowed to attend the interview only. Okay, now they mentioned already that all the above posts are purely on the contract basis. Okay, initially for a period of 3 years or co-terminus with the project, whichever is earlier. However, term of contract may be considered for extension based on the performance of the candidates and the requirement of the project also. Okay, and here, so what is the date of interview? I already told you here. They mentioned the specialization also, number of vacancies. And yeah, here let's talk about the essential qualification. So first of all, I'm talking about the position project manager specialization. It should be in the technical project management solution of architect design and development. Okay, number of vacancies are 10 and essential qualification for this is BE BTech or equivalent degree with 60% marks. Okay, second, or this is first one, or means if you are having BE BTech then also you are eligible, or postgraduate degree in science and computer science or MEM Tech degree is also eligible here. Okay, then post qualification experience, they required surely the experience to minimum 9 years of the post qualification experience. Okay, for this specific post, CTC in this case will be 17.52 lakh per annum. Okay, based on the post qualification relevant experience. Age is maximum 56 years. Second is the project engineer, that was for the senior manager project engineer testing, number of vacancies 4, who is eligible BE BTech or equivalent degree with the 60% or equivalent CGPA. Okay, and here minimum 1 year of post qualification relevant experience is required. So if you are an engineering student, you finished recently your engineering, and if you are having 1 year experience, then you are eligible here. Okay, and what is the job profile? They mention here experience in the testing, the web-based application. So this you can see. CTC in this case will be 7.86 lakh per annum. Okay, and maximum age limit is 45 year. And one more is there, which is on 11 January, senior project engineer Java J2EE. Okay, and number of vacancies are 15. BE BTech or equivalent degree with minimum 60% marks. Plus here minimum 4 year experience is required. So for the latest engineering students, if you finish, so you are having 1 year experience job which is having CGPA 7.86. Okay, sorry, which is having CTC 7.86 and 60% is required here. All right, and you can see the more details they mention here. Maximum age limit is 40 year again here. And again for the project, this so I already covered. And in this case also, minimum 1 year post qualification experience required here. For which one? For this project engineer Java. Okay, J2E, number of vacancies 15 are here. BE BTech required or minimum 1 year experience, and 7.86 is Maximum age limit is 45 year. Okay. So if you think you are eligible here and you are interested, first of all, then you can directly go to the walk-in interview, which is there. You can see more details they mention here, and this is a contract basis job where you can apply, dear students, according to your requirement. They mention here the website also, which is the official website. You can see all the details available here and here. Okay. And age relaxation, already I told you. Qualification also, BE Tech is required, but the important thing is this is for the experienced students. So if you are having experience, required experience, then surely you can apply here for having a good knowledge about this one. Okay, guys. So this is the official website. Here you can download application Performa Noida. You can apply and you can download and you can apply for this post. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates.